afternoon, everybody. I just wanted to show you how to use sewing thread elastic. And this is what you'll get. So it's great for like cuffs, waistbands, necklines. It just gives you a little gathering. This is just a scrap piece of paper or material. But you know, you would have this turned down, you know, a couple times for your hem. And then you would do a couple rows. But this is the back. And then this is the front. And it just gathers. And actually, I'm going to be doing it. I bought it because I made this shirt. But I really don't like the sleeves that are kind of belled. So I want to gather them. So I have some in my machine. But what you do is, I gotta find my spool now. There it is. Let me bring the camera down. You have to wind your bobbin by hand. And you're not gonna pull it when you load your bobbin. You just want to get, you know, just a little tight, but not tight. So on the bobbin, it has the little hole here. So you're going to put that in there and bring out a nice tail and hold it. And then start winding this as evenly as you can. Now, I'm not pulling this, but I'm putting a little tension on it. So just wind up your bobbin. There goes my bobbin, or my thread. So just keep winding this up. Okay, get your scissors and leave a nice tail. Then come back and cut this tail near the hole. Now I have the top loading sewing machine. So what you have to do is, let me get over here. You drop in your bobbin and you follow this line, but you don't want to go around where this cut is. You want to leave it up to about here. And then just thread your needle through and it'll pick it up. So you'll have your string and your bobbin thread right here. Now I'm on, my setting is 2.40. Now that's my machine. You have to play around and get your length of your stitch right to make it look like this. You can go up to 3.5. You might have to go even higher. It's just what your machine tension is. Now I have the Janome, so you just have to play with it. So once you get all that through, now I've done 2 rows. Be sure you have a nice tail on the end. And that I have the 2 rows already. I'm just gonna drop my needle down and go back and forth just a couple times. And you're not gonna push your material through. You're gonna just guide it. And where your ruffles are, you kind of just push open your ruffles. Okay, when you get done, put your needle up. And you're going to want to pull out enough so when this elastic thread pops back in, you still have a nice tail. Okay. So then you have 3 rows. And this is my back, just to show you what it looks like, that it's not all messed up and everything. And that way it just gathers enough to give you like a little design right here. I think it's called shirring, S-H-I-R-R-I-N-G, shirring. And when you see people make like dresses and they have like a band and it's just all gathered and they do like, 7 or 8 rows going across right below the bust. And so you get this effect. So I thought everybody would like to know how to use that. Like I said, you just have to wind your own bobbin and not tight. You're not pulling your like this, but I put a little tension on it. So that is what I'm gonna fix this shirt right now, and the outfit that I made yesterday with the nightgown top. I'm just gonna go along one time along, and that way it'd just gather it a little so it'll be a little bit tighter. But so I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Okay, don't forget to go to the special video for August and put in me in the comments, and I'll send you out a free pattern, whoever wins. I did send out the ladies' pattern today, Pauline's. So you should be getting that in a few days. So that's all sent out. And then I just bought some more material. I went to Hobby Lobby today. I have to iron this. But I bought this. It's 100% cotton. And it's just, I don't know, it's really pretty. It kind of has just like a flower print on it. It's 100% cotton. I have to iron this and cut out my pattern, which we're going to be doing B5963 tonight. And I'm making this right here. So I'll get that ironed and cut out. Also, a new little feature that I have on my page. It's just for thanks. You can donate, a little if you want, if you've learned something, and you want to just give me a little tip, that's great. If not, don't worry about it. And I think that's about it. So I'm going to get going, fix my shirt right here, and start ironing and cutting out that. So I'll be back later on tonight, and you know, like I said, you just have to play around with your settings. Now, like I said, I have a Janome, and my settings at 2.40. That's my stitch length. You know, I don't know, brothers might take like 3.5. You might have to go lower, higher. You just have to play around with it just a little. They do have this in the sewing section. And it's called Sewing Thread Elastic. I paid $1.99 for it, and you get 30 yards. And, you know, just remember when you do it, go, you know, reinforce it a couple times on the beginning and at the end, so it locks in that elastic for you. Okay, so you all have a great evening. I'll try to get this all cut out tonight and start the video. And like I said, please like, share, subscribe, comment, you know, thumbs up. I just want to say one other thing, and it's not that important, but this is not a politic channel. I had a pretty nasty comment because I had my Trump shirt on. Everybody here is American and beyond. Your beliefs are your beliefs, my beliefs are my beliefs, and there's no reason to leave a nasty comment about anything on this channel. This channel is to learn. You know, I, like everybody else, I have a freedom of speech, and if I want to wear a shirt, you know, which somebody I believe in, then I'm gonna wear it. You know, but to leave a nasty comment, I don't need it. You know, it's just not necessary. You know, everybody knows this country's in trouble, and, you know, whoever goes in, they have to turn it around, and that's all I'm going to say. And I don't care who it is. You know, this is just who I like, and, you know, people have other opinions, and that's your opinion, and you have a right to your own opinion. So, with that, I'm going to say, have a great evening. I'll get this all done, and I will see you later on tonight.